supernova explosion. This is the explosion of massive stars. If the stars are having mass of equal to at least 8 to 10 solar masses, then only this phenomenon occurs. Yes, this phenomenon occurs at the end of the life cycle of a massive star. Two types of supernova explosions are there, type 1 and type 2. For type 1, it is for binary star system. When one star is gathering or collecting masses from the another star. Okay. And for type 2, it is, I have already mentioned that if the mass is at least 8 to 10 times that of our sun. Okay. If 8 to 10 times, means 8 to 10 times the solar mass. Okay, then only supernova explosion occurs, and it occurs at the end of the life cycle of any star, a minimum that much of mass. So two types of star system are there, or supernova explosions are there, type 1 and type 2. First is how this happens. You know that stars, the huge source of energy is the nuclear fusion. Inside the core region of the stars, the source of energy is nuclear fusion. In our sun also, nuclear fusion is taking place. So, when the nuclear fuel is exhausted, when nuclear fuel exhausts, there is no more nuclear fuel for the nuclear fusion to take place. Then in that case, what happens? The pressure which is applied or exerted by the substance inside the core region in the outward direction, that will be absent. Only one force will be there in that case, that is the gravitational pull, and which acts in the inward direction. So whenever there is no more nuclear fuel to continue the nuclear fusion process, so in that case there is only one force, that is the gravitational pull. And since the mass is massive, mass of the star is massive, so gravitational pull is also massive. So there is a rapid contraction of the core region. And that way what happens, density of the core region goes on increasing. And at a point comes where the density becomes extreme, and the core region no longer can sustain that gravitational pull. And that time, what happens? That blast occurs. Explosion occurs that time. And that explosion is known as supernova explosion. A shock wave is formed which goes in the outward direction with tremendous velocity. Velocities are of the order of thousands of kilometers per second. And taking away with it, the shock wave takes away with it the outer layer of the massive star, okay? So this was all about supernova explosion. Yes, if you study, you will get different types of radiations, such as light rays are there, then X-rays, gamma rays, okay, radio waves. So all types of electromagnetic waves you will get if you study all those things, okay. And if you talk about whether these are visible by our naked eyes or not, yes, this may be visible with our naked eyes in the night sky, but not for all the cases. It depends, okay, on many factors. Anyway, I'm not going to talk about all those things, whether these are visible by our naked eyes or not. The main topic was how this occurs. Okay, so this is the main theory behind supernova explosion. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.